Good morning to everyone, student. Here we are going to have exercise 14.4 from chapter number 14, factorization, class 8 NCERT maths. Okay. So in the previous video we had already completed exercise 14.1 to 14.3. So here we are starting exercise 14.4. What the question says, find and correct the error in the mathematical statement. That means a statement is being given, a mathematical expression, or we can say that an equation or algebraic expression is given. That algebraic expressions we have to correct it. Okay, we have to make the corrections in the error. That means in order to creating the question, some kind of mistakes is being done in the question itself. So we have to make the correction to that question itself. Okay. So here is the question 1. So what is exercise 14.4, chapter number 14, factorization, question number 1. Find and correct the error in the mathematical statement. First is 4 into x minus 5 is equals to 4x minus 5. This is the question we are having. And second part of the question we are having as, second part of the question we are having x into 3x plus 2 is equals to 3x square plus 2. This is the question we are having. Now look, can we able to solve 4x minus 5 over here? Of course we can solve, and this is the correct statement of mathematical statement. But here it needs the solution, because outside the bracket one number is present, we have to take it inside, isn't it? So for the mathematical correction, what we are going to do, we have to take inside, so it will become 4x minus 4 into 5 is equals to 4x minus 5. So here it will become 4x minus 20. Is it LHS and RHS is equal? No, it is not equal. यहाँ पर देखो LHS and RHS both are equal. It is not equal, isn't it? Because here minus 20 is coming and here the constant term is minus 5 is coming. Both are correct. Both are difference is there in the number. In the constant of LHS and RHS, both there is a difference. One is minus 20, one is minus 5. So that is the error. Understood? What is the, as we can see that in the mathematical operation while solving the LHS and RHS all together, last it comes the that LHS and RHS both are equal. But while solving this equation, we can see that minus 4x minus 20 is not equals to 4x minus 5. So what is the mathematical error? This is the mathematical error. Understood? So यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, mathematical error show हो रहा है, जिसको करेक्ट करने पर आपको ये 4x minus 5 आना चाहिए. Okay. Second part of the question we are having as we can solve this part. No, we cannot solve this part because this is a perfect mathematical equation. So here we can solve it. Here we will have 3x, well yx will going to multiply inside, it will become 3x into x will be 3x square plus 2 into x will be 2x is equals to 3x square plus 2. Here again you can see that there is a difference in the term, second term, that is 2x and 2. Again a mathematical error we are having, isn't it? So that's why it is said like that. Now in the moving towards the third part of the question, what is 2x plus 3y is equals to 5xy. 5xy. 5xy both is present in the multiplication form. The variable x and y is present in the multiplication form, isn't it? So here can we solve it? No, we cannot solve it. As we know that when the two different alphabets is present with the number, we cannot add it. Only it is possible to add when the alphabets is same with the powers. If the powers are same, if the alphabets is same, then only all variables are same, then only we can add it. Otherwise, we cannot add it. So this is the mathematical error over here in order to bring this number. Okay. Next, moving towards the next question. Fourth part we are having. In the fourth part, x plus 2x plus 3x is equals to 5x. This equation we are having. You can see here x, all the expressions is having x term as x variable as well as the powers of the alphabet is 1, isn't it? So we can add it 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. Here it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6x is equals to 5x. Again it is not equals to LHS and RHS are not equal. Here also LHS and RHS not equal. LHS, RHS not equal. LHS, RHS not equal. Why it is not equal? It is not equal due to the mathematical error. Now what is the mathematical error in this? While solving this part, we cannot see that LHS and RHS both are equal. So this one 4 into x minus 5 is a mathematical error. In this part, x it will be multiplied with 3x plus 2 by multiplying the number 3x square plus 2x is equals to 3x square plus 2 we are getting. Again LHS and RHS both are not equal. Hence the mathematical error will be this one, x into 3x plus 2 will be the mathematical error. In the same way here we can see in the third part we cannot solve the RHS left hand side, isn't it? Because 2x plus 3x is equals to 5x we are having. If you are transposing also the number, it is no use. So what is the mathematical error? This one is the mathematical 2x plus 3y is the mathematical error. In the same way, in the fourth part of the question, x plus 2x plus 3x is equals to 5x we are having, as it is a linear equation. So we can add it, x plus 2x plus 3x will be 6x. We can see that 6x is not equals to 5x, isn't it? If we are going to take the value of x also, we cannot find anything in this, isn't it? Is this correct equation? Because x will be get cancelled, then what is the value of 5 upon x? Whose value? It will be 5 by 6 जो है वो किसका वैल्यू हो जाएगा? किसी का भी वैल्यू नहीं होगा, because x and x will get cancelled. Hence the mathematical error is this one. Understood? Why it is so? Because LHS and RHS both are not equal. If we are going to solve or equating the values, the x will be get cancelled. No such variables is left whose values we have to find as 5 by 6. Understood? Moving toward the next part of the question, fifth part. What is the fifth part of the question we are having? Fifth part we are having 5y plus 2y plus y minus 7y is equals to 0. This is the question we are having, isn't it? Now look, while solving here we are having 0. In the right hand side we are having the value as 0, isn't it? So 5, 6, 7y plus y minus 7y is equals to 0. Again we are having. Now here it will be how much? 7 plus 1, 8y minus 7y is equals to 0. Again while solving this two number, plus 8y minus 8y, y is equals to 0. Hence we can say that this mathematical equation is a correct one. The error will be, no error will be found in this. Clear? As we are getting the value of y while solving the left hand side part of the equation, we are getting the value of y as 0, so that is the correct one. Okay. Moving toward the next question, we are having the seventh part. As this exercise is not that much important, just we have to find out the error while solving the question. Okay. Next we are having eighth part of this. 2x square the whole square plus 5x is equals to 4x plus 5x is equals to 9x. Here three part it is given. The equation is in the form of three parts. This is the first part, second part and the third part, isn't it? So you can see here, first part we can solve as it is a whole square, as we are having a to the power 3 or 2 to the a to the power 2. If we are having, we can write it as 2a into 2a. So 2 into 2, 4a into a will be 4a square. So in the same way, 2x the whole square can be written as 2x into 2x. So that will be 2 into 2 will be 4 and x into x will be x square, isn't it? So here it will be 4x square plus 5x. Here you can solve as power is common, as the variables are same. So 4 plus 5 will be 9, isn't it? 9x is equals to again 9x. Is it will be? Yes, it can be. Okay. Now after this will it be solved? We cannot solve it. If we are transposing then 9x, it will become 0. Nothing you will get, isn't it? Here we cannot solve it. So what is the mathematical error in this? The mathematical error will be the equation, this part, isn't it? Now moving toward the next question, the ninth one. 3x plus 2 the whole square is equals to 3x square plus 6x plus 4. So if we are going to solve this equation in the form of a plus b the whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Is this in the same identity form? Of course it is in identity form, that is 3x square plus 2ab, 2 into 3, x into 2, okay, plus b square, that is 2 square is equals to 3x square plus 6x plus 4. This is is the equation we got. So here 9 into 9, 9x square plus 6, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, it will be 6. Now 4 into 3 will be 12, 12x, as 4 into 3, 4 2s are 4 3s are 12. So 12x plus 2 into 2, 4 is equals to 6x square plus 6x plus 4. So what is the mathematical error in this? The mathematical error is 12x. As we can see that mathematical error is 9x square plus 12x plus 4 will not be equals to 3x square plus 6x plus 4. Hence the mathematical error will be 3x plus 2 the whole square is the mathematical error in this. Here it is asked that find and correct the error in the following. Find and correct the error in the following, that means we have to solve and show. That is only. Okay. We have to find the error. What is the error? The question itself we said an error in the questions. Okay. We have solved and shown that in this way the error is being found and can be rectified over here. Next part, we are having the 10th. In the 10th part of the question, what is said? Here, in the 10th part of the question, you have to substitute the value and then you have to find out. Look how to do that. Substitute 3x in the 10th part of the question. Here it is given x is equals to minus 3, where we have to substitute in the x square plus 5x plus 4 gives, what it gives? Minus 3x square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 4. So here x square plus 5x plus 4 we are having, isn't it? If we are going to substitute x is equals to minus 3, here it will become minus 3 square plus 5 minus 3 plus 4, which is same as this equation, isn't it? We are going to solve it. Now minus 3 into minus 3 it will be plus 9, isn't it? 5 3 is 15 and minus will come outside plus 4. So if we are going to subtract this to number 9 minus 5, it will be 6. Here is plus is coming 6 plus 4, that is equals to 9. Is this answer is coming? Yes, this answer is coming because minus 3 into minus 3 will be 9. 5 into 3 will be 15. This minus will come over here. So 9 minus 15 is 6 and 6 plus 4 will be equals to 10. Not 9, sorry. Here it will be 10 because 9, 10 plus 5, 6, 15, isn't it? 6 plus 4 will be 10. Now in the second, this part here some expression is being given. Let's write the expression. Gives minus 3 square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 4 is written. Then after it is written 9 plus 2 plus 4 which gives 15 it says. मतलब ये कि इक्वेशन में x square plus 5x plus 4 gives minus 3 square plus minus 5 into minus 3 plus 4 it says, isn't it? So here minus 3 into minus 3 will be plus 9. Then 4 will come as it is. Now what is the difference here? Here 5 into 3 will be 15 minus 15, isn't it? So here what the answer we are having? 2 we are having, which is an error over here, isn't it? Error क्या होगा? यहाँ पर 5 into 3, 5 into minus 3 minus 15 आना चाहिए, जबकि यहाँ पर आंसर कितना आ रहा है? 2 आ रहा है यहाँ पर सॉल्व करने पर. So यहाँ पर एरर क्या होगा? 2 एरर होगा. उस 2 के एरर के कारण जो आंसर है 15 आ रहा है. That means the error is present in this equation. Understood? While solving the correct part of the equation, you will get the answer as 10. Clear to everyone? So here is the solution. In the same way you have to solve the rest other part. Let me see what is the next question we are having this. Sorry, here it will be, look, one mistake is being committed by me. 9 minus 15 is here, so as 15 is a greater number, so minus sign will present over here. Minus आएगा, फिर minus and plus will be minus, so here it will be minus 2 answer. And for this part I had already told you what is the error we are getting. The error is plus 2. That's this is the error in the question. That error is being corrected by us. So what is the solution of that question is minus 2 is the solution. Moving toward the B part of the same question number 10, we are having x square minus 5x plus 4. Here it says that it gives minus 3 x square minus 5 into minus 3 plus 4, while here it is 9 minus 15 plus 4, answer is 2. It says like that, minus 3, as we are going to substitute x is equals to minus 3 in this equation, so it will become minus 3 square minus 5 into minus 3 plus 4, which is correct up to here. We had substituted the value of x over here, which is correct. This part is correct. Now minus 3 into minus 3 will be 9. That is also correct. Minus and minus here it will be plus. You can see here as 3 into 5 will be 15, but minus and minus here it is written minus. That is incorrect, isn't it? Plus 4. So that's why this equation is again represent as error. What is error over here? This sign will represent as a error. Okay, so 9 plus 15 plus 4 आना चाहिए, जबकि यहाँ पर माइनस आ रहा है, इसलिए एरर क्या होगा यहाँ पर minus 15 is the error. Now solving the equation, after finding the error we have to solve and show. उस क्वेश्चन में एरर निकालने के बाद, एरर तो समझ आ गई, ये है एरर निकल गया, ठीक है. एरर निकलने के बाद उसको सॉल्व करना है. सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? वी आर गोइंग टू पुट minus 3 in place of x, isn't it? So here minus 3s, x is equals to minus 3. So here it will be 9, here it will be again plus 15 plus 4. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 plus 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 1 carry 1 2. So what is the answer we are getting over here? The answer we are getting as 28. What is the answer we are getting? The answer we are getting as 28, which is the correct one. Okay. Now moving toward the C part of this question. C part is also the same. What is the error you will get? The error you will get in the equation. Let's see the error in this also. It will be easy. C part of the question, x square plus 5x gives s, we have to x is equals to minus 3, we have to substitute. So minus 3 x square, minus 3 the whole square plus 5 minus 3. So here minus 9 is says minus 15, answer is minus 24. So what is error over here? This is correct, as minus will come over here, 3 5 are 15 and plus and minus. So here is the error minus 9, because as we know that minus 3 का whole square कितना होगा? minus plus हो जाएगा, so that will be 9. So this is the error. So while solving this equation, what you have to get? X square, that is minus 3 the whole square plus 5 into minus 3. So here it will be 9, here it will be 15, isn't it? So 9 minus 15 is minus 6 is the answer. Clear to everyone? So here we will get the answer as minus 6. Clear? Now here we had completed exercise 14.4. Completed, that means up to 10th question it is completed. Rest from 11 to 20, 21 we will do in the next video. So dear student, hope the question exercises be understood and आपको समझ आ गया होगा. Okay, so here we are going to